Planning a move from Orangeville to the United States? A cross-border move takes more planning than a regular local move because you're dealing with more than packing and transportation. You also need to think about customs paperwork, border clearance, delivery timing, and choosing movers who understand international relocation. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from Orangeville to the USA and how to prepare for a smoother move. According to 3 movers, moves from Orangeville to the USA typically range from $3,200 to $6,700, with pricing based on mileage, shipment volume, and customs paperwork. Average transit from Ontario to US cities usually takes about 5 to 9 days, but timelines can vary depending on route, inspections, border processing, and peak season congestion. Because this is a cross-border move, it helps to work with movers who understand customs regulations, documentation, packing requirements, and delivery coordination between Canada and the United States. The first major cost factor is how much you're moving. A smaller apartment with basic furniture and boxes will usually cost less than a full home with multiple bedrooms, appliances, garage items, office equipment, and fragile pieces. More belongings mean more packing time, more loading labor, more truck space, and sometimes more customs documentation. That's why a detailed inventory is one of the best ways to get an accurate quote. Moving from Canada to the US requires the right documents. 3 Movers notes that you may need passports, visas, work permits, and other documents depending on your situation. The guide also recommends understanding US customs rules, including restricted items, duty fees, and required permits before moving day. Having paperwork organized early can help reduce delays at the border. Packing matters even more on an international move. Your belongings may go through multiple handling points, border inspections, and a longer route than a standard move. Professional movers can help with packing, loading, shipping, customs clearance, and delivery to the final destination. If you have fragile items, antiques, electronics, or high-value pieces, ask about custom crating, protective packing, and insurance options. Cross-border delivery timelines can vary. 3 Movers lists average transit from Ontario to US cities at 5 to 9 days, but timing can change based on inspections, route distance, customs processing, weather, and seasonal demand. Ask your mover for a realistic delivery window, not just a best-case estimate. For an Orangeville to USA move, don't choose movers based only on price. Look for experience with international relocations, clear quotes, proper licensing, insurance, tracking options, and a clear explanation of customs support. 3 Movers recommends working with reliable movers who can provide documentation help, customs clearance assistance, and professional packing for cross-border moves. The best way to get an accurate price is to request a quote based on your inventory, US destination, packing needs, timing, and any storage or special handling requirements. If you're moving from Orangeville to the USA, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a free moving estimate.